Are you looking for a high-quality food scale that is easy to use and accurate? If so, you may want to consider the Best Food Scales. This scale is perfect for people who want to stay healthy and fit by weighing their food. The scale also has a digital display that makes it easy to read. In today's video, I'll talk about the 5 best food scales on the market available right now. I have added all the links in the description box below. Check them out and please consider to subscribe our channel. So without further ado, let's get started. The OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Food Scale is accurate, attractive, portable, easy to use, easy to clean, easy to see, and has a big platform. The novel design includes a pull-out illuminated digital display for simple, clear reading. To make storage simple, the display peels away from the base and tucks back within. This feature also gets rid of shadows from bigger bowls, which can hinder one's view of the display. 2 straightforward buttons make this OXO scale user-friendly, a power button that also serves as a zero function, clearing the scale between readings, and a unit conversion button that switches between ounces, pounds, grams, and kilograms. This makes it simple to utilize for both savory and sweet recipes. If you're measuring huge amounts of food that could weigh more than 11 pounds, the display additionally contains a maximum weight capacity indicator icon. The stainless steel platform of this scale is easy to clean and resists fingerprints. The OXO Good Grips food scale weighs items up to 11 pounds in 0.1 ounce increments and is powered by 4 AAA batteries. The sleek yet functional design of Nicewell's digital food scale could help you satisfy all of your baking and cooking demands. This scale has a weight limit of 22 pounds, which is much higher than the weight limits of many comparable models. For extra convenience, it has a big weight platform as well. It is remarkably thin and simple to pack and transport while having a bigger surface area and a high weight capacity. The scale has 5 unit options for measuring a range of foods, and the weight platform is made of tempered glass for simple cleaning. Although the scale is water resistant, some users have reported problems after submerging it. The battery-operated Nicewell digital scale shuts off on its own after 2 minutes in order to prolong battery life. The list of features is completed with an alert for when your battery is low or you've reached the weight limit. The Grater Goods Digital Food Kitchen Scale is your best option if you want a small, attractive, and precise kitchen scale that won't take up much space on your counters. The quality and elegance of this understated choice are both excellent. The design's timeless, simple hues include ash gray, black glass, cherry red, cobalt blue, and stainless steel. In 0.1 ounce increments, this compact but powerful scale weighs meals up to 11 pounds. Large writing is shown on the high-contrast LCD screen for easy reading of measurements. A rectangular weighing platform that easily tucks away in a drawer is part of the low-profile, rounded design. The scale has 2 touch-sensitive buttons on its surface and is made of both plastic and stainless steel. For messier items like peanut butter or honey, like the Tear or Zero feature enables users to calculate the weight of ingredients without taking the container into account. The unit button converts measures between milliliters, fluid ounces, pounds, and grams. A CR2032 battery powers the 2-minute auto shutdown function of the Grater Goods Digital Food Kitchen Scale. The scale has scratch-resistant feet that prevent the unit from moving and harming the counter. The Ozeri Pronto kitchen scale is portable and features a compact design that makes it easy to store in a small kitchen drawer. This scale's polycarbonate shell is available in a range of hues and designs, from lime green to black marble. This device, which costs roughly $10, is really affordable, but more significantly, it tested well. Although it might have used a backlight, the digital display on this scale constantly provided accurate readings. Our experts could swiftly change the units of measurement, tare it, and turn it off. 5 different units are available in this model: ounces, milliliters, grams, pounds, and kilograms. This scale accurately tares anything from a glass bowl to chocolate bits and can weigh as little as 1 gram up to 11.24 pounds. This scale turns off after just 2 minutes of inactivity, which is not ideal if you are working on several kitchen activities at once, but it can be turned back on by pressing a single button. 2 AAA batteries, which are included, were simple to put in. The Escali Primo digital scale is an easy-to-use, uncomplicated food scale that provides accurate measures nearly immediately. In 0.05-ounce increments, this device weighs foods up to 11 pounds. This 2-button device has an on-off button that also serves as the tare button and a button for unit conversion that switches between grams, ounces, and pounds. The superior, accurate Escali Primo scale has a sealed control panel and digital display that guards against spills and water damage. 2 AA batteries are required to power this device, and it has automated shut-off to preserve power. Before automatically turning off after 4 minutes, it is still on. A wide choice of hues, including black, chrome, metallic, pumpkin orange, royal blue, soft pink, soft white, tarragon green, and warm red, are available for its rounded appearance, which blends beautifully in any kitchen. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.